Welcome you all in today's Vedic math session. Today we are going to learn multiplication with the base method. This is also one of the world's fastest method of multiplication. So let's see it. Base method of multiplication. In Sanskrit, it is called Nikhilam method. What are base? Base like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. How to solve this? Let's check. We need to follow these steps. Just roughly, we will read the steps. Find base and difference. How to find base? I will tell you. Number of digits on RHS is equal to number of zeros in base. How many zeros will be in the base? That much number of digits will be on the right hand side of the answer. Multiply difference on RHS. Whatever differences you will get, I will tell you how to find the difference. Whatever differences you will get, you need to multiply the difference and write on the right hand side of the answer. Cross answer on LHS, and then we have to cross some numbers and write down that answer on the left hand side of the answer, and then left hand side and the right hand side will give us the final answer. Okay, so let's check. When base is same, these are few examples. Here 96 multiplied by 94, 997 multiplied by 993, and 9999 multiplied by 9999. How we can find the base? 96 and 94 are near to 100. So 100 is the base. 997, 993 are near to 1000. So 1000 is the base, and here 10,000 is the base. Okay, this is the first step to find the base. Then we need to find the difference. How we can find the difference? See, 100 minus 4 is 96 and 100 minus 6 is 94. Okay, we need to find the difference. These numbers are less than base, so we will put minus 4 and minus 6. Here, the difference is minus 3 and 993 and 1000. The difference is minus 7. Here, the same way, here is the difference is minus 1, because these numbers are less than the base. Then, the next step. Number of digit on RHS is equal to number of zeros in base. So here, how many zero are here? 1, 2. 2 zero are here. So our right hand side answer will have 2 digits. So we will put 2 digit places here. For this example, 3 zero are here in the base. So we will put 3 places. Here the same way, 4 zeros are here. So we will put 4 places on right hand side of the answer. Then whatever difference we got, we will multiply the difference and write down the answer here on right hand side. So 4 6 are 24, right here. Here 7 3 are 21. But we need to fill up all these 3 places. So we will fill this place with the 0. 21, and then here is a 0. Here 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. But we need to fill up all these places. So we will fill these places with 0. Okay. Now next step. In next step, cross answer on LHS. Means we need to do the cross calculation. Here 96 minus 6, it is 90. That we will write cross answer on this left hand side. 96 minus 6, 90. Here 997 minus 7. Here minus 7. So we will get 990 on LHS. That is left hand side of the answer. And then here we are getting minus 1. Just cross this one or this one. Anyway, you can do the calculation. So you are going to get 9,998. And our final answer will be left hand side and right hand side. This is the final answer. This is our final answer and this is our final answer. Okay. If we do the calculation with our normal method, it takes time. But with this base method, if the numbers are near to the base, like 100,000, like this, then we can follow these steps and get the answer very easily in one line only. This will be very helpful in competitive exam because options are given there. With this method, you can just check the unit place, tens place or hundred place digits and then choose the correct answer. Now here 1002 multiplied by 1003. What is the base for this? If you see 1002 is near to 1000. So base will be 1000. Now this is bigger than 1000, bigger than base. Difference is 2, but the difference will be plus because the number is bigger than base. So we will write plus 2 and here the difference is plus 3. Okay. In previous examples, we have seen that the numbers were below the base. So we subtracted the difference. Now here we will add the difference. Okay. Now next step is number of zeros, number of digit place on right hand side of the answer. Okay. Then multiply the difference. 2 3s are 6 right here and fill the places with 0, remaining places with 0. Then cross answer. Here plus is here. So we will add the numbers. 1002 plus 3 is 1005. And this will be our final answer. See how quickly we can get the answer with the Vedic math method. Now, these are the examples. You try to solve it, find the base, follow the steps and get the answer. You can write the answer in the comment box which is given below. Now, in some problems, you can get the carryover when number of digits in RHS exceeds the number of zeros in the base. The simple meaning is when you get the carryover. How will you solve it? So let's do it. Base is 1000. Now, the number is smaller than base, so we will subtract and write the difference. Next step is number of zeros in the base, number of places, and then multiply this difference. If we multiply the difference, we will get 2500. See, if we multiply minus and minus, minus multiplied by minus will be plus. Okay. And 50 multiplied by 50 is equal to 2500. Now, here, 3 places will be occupied by 500 and this 2000 place digit will be carryover. Okay. Then cross answer 950 minus 50 is 900 but still there is a carryover. So this carryover will get added here in 900. So our final answer will be this. This is our final answer. Okay. Okay, let's do this. The base is 1000. Then find the difference. Here 200 plus 20. Then check number of zeros 3. Places will be 3 and the multiplication is 4000. Now 3 places are here. This will be occupied by 0, 0, 0. Unit place, tens place and hundred place. Now this is 1000 place. This will be carryover. Okay. And then the cross answer. 1200 plus 20, it is 1220. We need to plus this, add this carryover. Okay. So our final answer is this one. See how quickly we can get the answer for such kind of multiplication. That's all for today's. Thank you. See you next time.